A very warm welcome to you all. Today, we will bring to you another game-changing technology which is helping the textile industry become more energy efficient and making the air cleaner. Textile industry in India is one of the vital components of the Indian economy and is also one of the 15 most energy-intensive industries in India. Thus, the measures undertaken for enhancing the industry's energy efficiency not only make sound economic sense, they are also necessary for our environment's well-being. In India, more than 95% of the total cloth produced is contributed by the decentralized or unorganized textile sector, which makes the process of maintaining standardized processes in terms of energy consumption a challenging task. It is in this context that today's innovation has helped a great deal in reaching the large swaths within the textile industry with its easily replicable model. The Perform, Achieve and Trade PAT scheme has been launched by Bureau of Energy Efficiency, Government of India, to build synergies between the stakeholders among energy-intensive industries in India in order to make them more energy efficient. Today, we will learn more about the latest innovation for waste heat recovery through stentor machine for the textile industry. A stentor is a machine or apparatus for stretching or stentoring fabrics. The purpose of the stentor machine is to bring the length and width of fabric to predetermined dimensions and also for heat setting. But this process also provides for two opportunities for energy saving in convection drying process and the process of fabric width control. In the process of convection drying, high velocity hot air is circulated, and to avoid the buildup of excessive humidity, exhaust fans continuously remove this extra air, which then becomes the major source of waste heat. Using the new technology, stentors with thermic fluid heaters can recover this heat in order to reduce the operating cost by keeping the exhaust temperature high, thus resulting in substantial energy savings. With exhaust air to water heat recovery system, this waste heat is extracted and is utilized in the nearby process machines as hot water. Not only this, the recovered oil is also recycled and reused by authorized pollution control board vendors, thus making the incorporation of this new technology doubly profitable. By using this technology, significant savings of about 4.5 TPD steam have been achieved, which have resulted in about Rs 21 lakhs worth of cost saving from steam annually and oil recoveries of 80 litres per day, resulting in annual savings of Rs 10 lakhs have been achieved in the implementing partner plant. Not only that, the utilization of condensation of oil vapor from PV material stentor vapor has also helped to make the process greener by reducing the emissions and making the air cleaner. These results are encouraging the officials as well as other plant owners to consider implementing the air-to-water exchanger method on a larger scale.
Previously, in the stentor machine, the hot air were going into the atmosphere and we were losing on the heat. So, what this Polygy machine has done is to extract the heat from the air which is coming from the stentor and heat the water which is used in the process. Secondly, the oil droplets which is coming from the process, previously they were going through the atmosphere. Now, the electrostatic precipitator in this machine extracts the oil from the air and collect it into the drum. This is now recycled to the recycled cellar of GPCB. So, and the fresh air without oil is going into the atmosphere.
With the implementation of air-to-water exchanger method, significant benefits have been derived both for the environment as well as the industry. BEE is ensuring that economic progress doesn't come at the cost of environmental degradation, as it continuously strives to find newer solutions to the issues of energy wastage. Reduce, reuse and recycle is no longer a motto only applicable in households, as BEE is ensuring that this age-old wisdom is taken from the domestic sphere to the larger sphere of industries and technologies. As the world rapidly advances towards becoming a highly mechanized and technical space, it is important to make this new world gentler and more sustainable by reducing wastage of energy, and today's technology promises to achieve just that. On that note, we bid adieu, only to return with another episode of a transformative piece of technological innovation. Till then, goodbye and take care.